Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Dodge Durango. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure both vehicles are completely off before you begin. Take a moment to inspect the battery terminals for any dirt or corrosion, cleaning them if necessary. Finally, park the working vehicle close enough so the jumper cables can comfortably reach both batteries. This preparation is crucial for a safe and effective jumpstart. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, attach one red positive cable clamp to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working battery. Next, connect one black negative cable clamp to the negative terminal of the working battery. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the dead vehicle's engine block, away from the battery. With the cables properly connected, it's time to start the engines. Begin by starting the engine of the working vehicle and allow it to run for about 5 minutes. This gives the dead battery a chance to receive some charge. After this brief wait, try to start your Dodge Durango. If it doesn't start immediately, wait another few minutes before attempting again. Once your Durango starts, let it run for at least 15 minutes to recharge its battery. You've successfully jump-started your Durango, so now it's time to safely disconnect the cables. First, turn off both vehicles. Then, carefully remove the black negative cable from the engine block of the vehicle with the previously dead battery. Next, disconnect the other black negative cable from the working battery. Finally, remove the red positive cable from the working battery and then from the previously dead battery. Always follow this order to prevent electrical sparks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.